High performance. CAT6 Ethernet cable, 100% copper for error-free multi-gigabit 1/2.5, 5 gigabits per second connections, 10 gigabits per second up to 160. Fluke patch cord tested to comply with ANSI, TIA-568-2.D Category 6. ETL Verified. PoE support. 24 Aruban fluorine stranded copper conductors UL-rated wiring, E132276A. Supports up to 100W for PoE devices like VOIP phone security systems. IEEE 802.3 BTDTE power compliance reduces cable heating. Quality construction. ETL UL certified wire. 50-micron gold-plated connectors prevent rust, corrosion to avoid costly network downtime. High-quality PVC jacket resists bending or fraying damage. Easy installation. 4-foot snagless patch cord for easy installation, flexible disconnection in wiring conduits. Compatible with Cat5e earlier standards. Molded boots available for constrained spaces. Top reviews from the United States. Perfectly adequate Ethernet. I had to route this Ethernet under a wall which required a little not so gentle persuasion, yet the head of the Ethernet and actual cable held up fine.